Tie and dye is traditionally called bandhani in India. In this, a cloth is tied with thread and then it is dyed. On opening, it produces beautiful patterns.
So let us try tie and dye now. We'll make a tie and dye handkerchief, and for this we need a handkerchief. It should be cotton. So first we have to make the markings. So just locate the center and open it. You can use a compass to make the circle. And now just mark the areas where you will tie your grams. See, like this. Okay. Now we have to start tying. So we have taken these grams here, or chana, and we have the thread here. Now take a gram and just put it inside like this. Hold it with your hand, and now you tie it like this, and at the end just break the thread. See, we have this. Similarly, we have to tie on all the markings that we have made. This one again, and the thread like this. And just break the thread. See? Go on tying. After you tie a gram on each of the marking, your handkerchief will look like this. You can dye it like this also, but to make more design, what you can do is that around each gram you tie the thread once again. See, leave some distance and tie the thread again. So this will give a double circle. Do it on each of the gram. See, again leave some space and tie the thread. Make it tight like this. Now this is what you will get after you finish. Yes, it looks a little messy, but wait until we dye it. So now it's time to go to the kitchen to dye our handkerchief. We will use turmeric, that is haldi, which is the most easily available natural dye. So just heat some water in a container and add turmeric. 2 spoons will do. And now let it boil. Meanwhile, dip your handkerchief in cold water to wet it. And just take it out. Now, just sprinkle some salt over it. Salt will act as an adhesive and it will catch on the color. Just a little bit. That's it. The water with turmeric has come to a boil now, so we will put in our handkerchief. Just put it inside and just stir it. Let it be soaked for at least 2 minutes so that it catches the color. Do this entire exercise with an elder. And now our handkerchief has soaked in the color, so just take it out and like this. Now we have to wash it under the tap water so that the excess turmeric and all is removed. Just wash it, let the excess color drain. Your handkerchief has been dyed now, so just put it for drying. Once the handkerchief has dried, it is time to open the threads. So, catch hold of the thread and open it. See? Similarly, we have to open all the threads. So the threads are all out, the grams are all out, and our handkerchief is ready. See? Doesn't it look beautiful? You can make different patterns using different pulses or using the thread only. And you can make different patterns.